I can't stress enough how serious this is and how the world is sleepwalking into some sort of like AI Oblivion. Okay, so after my last two lives that I've done about Lesotho, now I want to really properly introduce you to what we've been building in this year. I think you all kind of understand now that you've seen Lesotho why I've not been posting, because obviously it's not the safest thing for me to be taking photos of what I'm eating and where I'm going, and given the scale of the case that I've got going on. So this now, over this next, I don't know, 30, 60 days, I'm going to be putting a new live out. They'll all be relatively short, I think. I don't think I'm ever going to go over. I'm going to try and keep them all in the sort of 15, 20-minute window. But it's like super, super important content that I've got coming to you. So where we're going to start is below this video, there's a link, right? And that's going to take you through to the video that we've done called The Robots Are Coming. And I can't stress enough how serious this is and how the world is sleepwalking into some sort of like AI Oblivion. Yes, on one hand, ChatGPT and Grok are amazing tools. Anyone that's used them, the productivity level soars. You can do so much good stuff with it. There's so much automation for people that are online and web builders and so on and so forth. But the piece that you can't get past is they've already got driverless cars and driverless trucks.